What's poppin'? What's poppin'? My Gucci. My Gucci. Hey, Geminites. Hey, Gemini rolls. Hey, Gemsters. Hey, Geminis. So, in today's video, I'm really here just to offer some words of encouragement, just to give you some words of advice, okay? I have lived a very long and arduous 28 3/4 years on this here planet, and I'm going to share the knowledge I've gained, the wisdom that I have earned with you for the free. Because sharing is caring. We are here today because I heard from my hairdresser's sister's cousin, twice removed, that your pum pum smells like old catfish. I heard that it smells like the bottom of a dumpster. I heard that it smells like a hoarder's refrigerator that has not been emptied in 6 years. I heard that your pum pum itches like you have a staph infection. I heard that your pum pum just has this kind of like cottage cheese discharge. And that's not the diet that we're on in 2020. We're still continuing our very unhealthy lives, so you can keep your cottage cheese. I don't need that source of protein. No, we like chicken over here, okay? We like chicken, we like goat, shout out to my Haitians. Pop, pop, pop. We like, you know, other sources of protein other than cottage cheese. You know, we're not a fan of the cottage cheese, but you know, there's nothing to be ashamed about. You know, there's nothing for you to be worried about, because I got you. As usual, I got you. So, in all seriousness of the seriousness, why do we not talk about female issues more often? Like, when I grew up, nobody was teaching me about yeast infections. Nobody was telling me about BV. Nobody was teaching me about discharge. Like, I literally learned everything the internet. Nobody has these conversations, or maybe I didn't have these conversations. Like, maybe your upbringing was real different. Maybe you were privileged to have a mother in your life. Okay, did you have a mother? Must be nice, must be nice. You know, I had a father. I'm grateful. We're getting off topic and I'm getting emotional. Okay, anything can throw your pum pum balance completely off. And you know, as I age, aging gracefully, I might add, things just don't work the way they used to. Nobody told me this. Once again, lack of knowledge, lack of education. Things just don't work the same, you know? When I was younger, my ability to bounce back from any problem, any circumstance, any situation was unsurpassed, limitless. I bounced back from everything, and now my knees creak, my back aches, I need help. I might need some extra vitamins, some extra medicine, some extra like assistance, like something. My bounce back game is not strong anymore. It's a soft medium. It's a soft medium. And you know what? I'm not ashamed. It's part of aging, it's part of the process. But that's just my story, you know? I've particularly noticed this with my periods. Oh, aren't they lovely? Isn't that such a great thing? I have a theory that periods are actually man-made and have been inflicted on us by men to keep us in the house. You know, they wanted to bring us pain because they don't want us to be great. You know, they know that we surpass them in every which way, you know. They know this, and that's why they've inflicted us with periods. But you know, we'll save my conspiracy theory for another day. But you know, periods are just one of those things that can mess up your hormones, or kind of just like mess up the pH balance of the cooch, you know, of the goodies, the cookie, the money maker, the bread maker, the bacon, the money gun. And when that balance, when that chemistry is thrown off, it could lead to some issues, you know. The yeast, the bread, that whole bread box, giving that a whole new meaning. You can get BV, you know. As you get older, some of us just have dryness. But I mean, I'm Haitian, so you know. You know, it be real juiced up. But you know, we go through so many changes, all right? I'm gonna be waiting for you on the comments talking about, oh, cause you dirty, cause you this, cause you that. Ma'am, you can clean yourself as much as you want. But if your autoimmune system is impacted, it doesn't matter, all right? If your period shifts your pH balance, it doesn't matter, all right? There are many reasons as to why you can get yeast or BV or any other infection of that sort, okay? Simmer down in the comments, simmer down, all right? Dr. Jemima speaking. But I'm here to tell you, if you have suffered or are suffering, I have something for you. I have a gift for you. Merry Christmas, happy birthday, happy New Year, Feliz Navidad, happy Kwanzaa, all right? Your gift is right here. For all of you that don't take pills well, I'm right here with you. You do not have to ingest these, at least not orally. What is wrong with me today? I'm going to be serious for 45 seconds. We'll see if I make it. All right. This part of the video is sponsored by NutraBlast. All opinions are my own. All experiences are my own. So most women will suffer from yeast or BV at some point in their lives. It's one of those things that can happen even if you are cleaning yourself regularly. It could be from the laundry detergent that you're using. It can be from the water in a bathtub. It can be from your period. Oh my God, your period. It's ruining our lives. Shoot, I said I was gonna be serious for 45 seconds. All right, resuming. It could be from taking antibiotics. It could be from freaking poor eating habits. Like, there's so many different ways that you can have some kind of imbalance in your flora, in your flower. Some people get it more often than others. Some people just don't like taking antibiotics. Some people don't like taking medicine, or they just prefer natural remedies before going that route. And I'm here today to provide you with that natural remedy. So this right here contains boric acid suppositories, which are these little capsules with boric acid in it that you then use inside your vagina. So me in particular, I love using these after my period. I don't know what's going on, but my periods are raging out of control, and they're longer and heavier, and they're just destroying my life. And I've noticed that it takes a couple days for everything to go back to regular after, you know, my uterus tries to kill me. So that being said, I love using these for 1 or 2 nights just to kind of like, you know, get little J back to her normal, okay? Get little J ready to go. Or, you know, if you had a real fun night and y'all was real nasty, you know, you might want to pop one of these after, sis. Keep you so fresh and so clean, okay? Want to make sure that everything's good, all right? Tame down that nastiness. So I've heard, you know, I wouldn't know anything about that. Virgin Mary here. These are just overall a great way to support your pH levels and make sure that, you know, the little one is happy, okay? Happy and clean and fed and just thriving, all right? We're thriving all 2020. And I also found out that it increases vaginal moisture. That's never a bad thing. No, but real talk though, like if you take these for like maybe 3 days in a row, came through dripping, drip drip is all I'm gonna say. All right, I'm about to dive in. Whoa. Literally. Like sis Loki thought her period was coming back. Like juice. So another thing that I love about NutraBlast is that they provide you with freaking feminine pH strips. I don't know what in the Miss Frizzle, what in the Maddox school bus, what in the Bill Nye the Science Guy is going on, because I get so excited. Something about testing my juices makes me feel like I am a chemical engineer that graduated in 3 months. Bachelor's, master's, and PhD. 3 months. Okay, I feel intelligent. I feel superior. I feel wealthy. You know, I feel everything. You literally just tear off a piece of the strip, put some of your juices on it, give it a couple minutes, and use the guide right in the front to figure out whether your pH balance is normal or not. So if you see that you fall in the abnormal category, you go ahead and take your trusty capsules and you pull out an applicator from this pack here, which is super useful. They're all individually wrapped. Pull off the wrapping, take this syringe situation, and I love it. It's so easy. You literally just pull this out and it opens about this much space at the top. You put in one of the capsules. It looks like a pill. Do not ingest it, all right? This is strictly for little J to eat, okay? Not big J, little J. Just pop it in there like that, and then you just, you know, swoop, 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 there it is. Swoop, there it is, and a swoop, there it is. All right, you just kind of, you know, swoop. And when you get in there, you just push it up, bam, it's inside. And you let it work, okay? Just let it work. Let it work, all right? As with everything that you put in your body, make sure that you are healthy, okay? Make sure you're going to your doctor. Make sure you're double checking everything, because sis, everything ain't for everyone. I went to my OBGYN. I let him know that I wanted to take boric acid supplements. He co-signed, told me it was a great idea, told me I was perfectly fine, and to live my best life. That man done seen all my insides. He know what's up. So, you know, let's just make sure we're doing our best to minimize these, you know, occurrences. Make sure you're changing out your tampon and your pads frequently. Make sure that you are taking off any wet clothes right after swimming or going to the gym. Making sure you're wiping front to back. That's a great one. Okay, sis. When you go back to front, it's we don't want to do that. Always front to back. Most importantly, stop messing with these little dust bunnies, sis. I done told you to leave that little boy alone, okay, sis? You're allergic to him. Your body is rejecting him. If you're not going to listen to your brain, then listen to your body, sis. Your body is telling you to stop letting him touch you with his lemon pepper fingers and a Hennessy breath. So I'm telling y'all, I'm just trying to put you on, you know? So that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Shout out to NutraBlast for sponsoring me and for sending me some free pills, because I definitely need a new stash after my first one finished. So they hit me up just in time. And I will see you guys in the next one, all right? Stay fresh, stay clean, and stop letting these dusty boys turn you into a bread box, okay? No more yeast for you. Toodles!